Okay, we have a Whacheon gap bed engine lathe, model 17G40. This machine has 17-inch swing, 25.5-inch in the gap by 40-inch centers. Serial number 77903-29. Machine was new in 1979, and we're going to run it for you. Machine's in nice shape. It has from 32 up to 1800 RPM. It's got an A16 spindle nose. Right now it has a 3-jaw chuck on there, a 9.5-inch 3-jaw. You also have an Allura CXA tool post with it, steady rest, a Jacobs 3/4-inch drill chuck in the tailstock. You have a foot brake, micrometer carriage stop, and a thread dial indicator. All right. Going a little bit faster. Forward and reverse. All right, we're going quite a bit faster. We're going to run some, right now we're engaged the half nut and threading. That's longitudinal feed. That's the cross feed. All right, that's your tailstock. Your tailstock has a number 4 Morse taper with 6 inches of travel. Again, this machine's really nice and clean. Hey, thanks for watching our video.